Hi y'all, this is Natasha from Divine Creations, and look at what I received today. My first Cricut Joy. I was on the fence about buying it because I already have a Cricut maker, but this little machine packs a powerful punch, and I am going to show you exactly how you can use it in your crafting room. So stay tuned. All right, y'all. You already see I got the Cricut Joy here, which I'm so excited. I also picked up the Cricut Joy card mat. I am really excited on using this because the holidays are here, and this is going to make card making so much easier. So we're going to do a lot of projects with this one. I also picked up the pen, which is the 0.4 black and gray and brown Cricut Joy pens, because you have to have the certain pens will fit in the Cricut Joy, not your normal Cricut pen. So keep that in mind. And I also picked up the Smart Label writable vinyl, and it's permanent. This is 5x5 by 48 inches. I'm really excited about this because y'all know I love creating labels, and it's supposed to be smudge proof. So these are some of the accessories that I've purchased. I also grabbed this bag to be able to carry my things in. The Cricut Joy will fit right into it, but I also ordered a bag that's going to help me with more accessories that I have coming at the end of the week. Not going to tell you now, but this bag may have to go back because everything won't fit. But I'm still going to test it out and let you know how I feel about the bag if you only have a Cricut Joy. Now, I have more packages coming, but this is all that came today. One more package here. We're going to open it up. And this may give you a little sneak peek on what's coming at the end of the week. I here have a heat press mat. It's a 12 by 12 mat, which is definitely a must-have when you are creating things with HTV, which is heat transfer vinyl. So come a little closer so we can give them an up-close view. This is from Amazon, and it's a 12 by 12 mat. All right, y'all, I got my mat, have my card mat, I have my writable vinyl, I have my pens, I have a bag, and I have the Cricut Joy. I am all set to start recording these tutorials for y'all. So make sure you head over to YouTube and subscribe. See ya.